अरे पाटा क्लोव क्लोव क्लोव
Hey, shout out 10 Mac. Shout out Capcut. Shout out JETT, you know what you do to my brain? You what?
Dig that fatty white, give it on the bone. I was taking out your back, cause you motherfucking don't wanna look at your eyes. I know you're not able to last. With the two of me.
Why did I eat it? अरे मेरे
Get the green on the scene with the lead. And my team gonna be Mr. General. I achieved your fiend. Cause I triple cause I turn my side on the key 2020 on the scene. She got that meds on her back. Ask for the 100 again. He gonna let us unlatch.
oh nice try
I'm gonna get inside the next wing and go to the space needle. I be smoking on OG, it is for me, it's medicinal. Achoo, motherfucker gotta see, it's gotta take one puff for the hits my brain. I do feel love when it hits you, you go swear it's stuck. Drifting in the rain, I'm on that funky town shit. Back wheel drive, I'ma tell you I'm not gonna quit. Popo, come to the front door, get to the back, to the back, to the back, to the back. Hold up in the beamer, go around the block, take a lap, take a lap. Even that again, it is fantastic, I can't get enough of them sandy cheeks. Sandy free, one more blunt, her panties breach. Go down to the beach that is right next to the bikini bottom. They go turn the city into one big Gomorrah and Sodom. She's a freak, and her name is Sandy Cheeks. She's a freak, and her name is Sandy Cheeks. I like her cause she a freak, I like her cause she a freak. All the meat that just got beat, all because them Sandy Cheeks. Jack out here in the middle with the mummies, coming with the heat, I'm a dirtbag, call me. Dab so thick it look like honey, perfect get a smoke, it is sunny. When I eat I miss his puff, she gonna fucking expand. I can't even flex, I don't even got one band. Push up on the gas on the fucking invisible bumblebee. Put the money in the bag cause you know that we need that steel. You can't tell me that ballin' dick. Cause Sandy Cheeks got a bag of tricks. Fuck the cops, I only respect the hall monitor. Now put them Sandy Cheeks above me, now I am a gobbler. I am in it again, it is fantastic, I can't get enough of them Sandy Cheeks. Sandy free, one more blunt, her panties breach. Go down to the beach that is right next to the bikini bottom. They go turn the city into one big Gomorrah and Sodom. She's a freak, and her name is Sandy Cheeks. She's a freak, and her name is Sandy Cheeks. I like her cause she a freak, I like her cause she a freak. All the meat that just got beat, all because them Sandy Cheeks.
You asked for a couple of ice cubes in your drink, and I only put in